Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a soft glam transformation video to get you looking from someone like this, to this. Yes, I know, it's a big change. But yeah, if you want to follow along, let's get right to it. So this is me with no makeup. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take off my glasses and I'm going to put some contacts on. So these are the Olens Russian Gold lenses. Then I'm just going to shave my mustache and my brow area to make sure I got all the stray hairs out of the way so we get a nice application. Then I'm going to prime with the Glow Master Primer from the Saem. And then in my inner cheek and nose area, I'm going to use the NYX Pore Filler Primer just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Then with my green color corrector, I'm just going to correct any redness I might have. Same thing with underneath my eyes, I'm just going to use a peach corrector to correct any purple or blue undertones. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer around my brows. I found that doing this actually helps me use less product in the long run because my brows are pretty thick. So I actually don't need that much product to fill them in. So yeah, I've been doing this a lot lately and I love it. Then I'm going to go in with the ABH Brow Powder just to fill in any sparse areas I might have. Then to set my brows, I'm going to be using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Guys, this is amazing. This is like the only brow setter that actually keeps my hair in place. So I'm like all about that life. Then for foundation, I'm going to be doing the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. You guys know that I have been loving this one. It's so nice, so weightless, and even smoothing. So yeah, love this one. And of course for concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape as always. And I'm also going to bring that on my lids just to prep for shadow. So first for shadow, you're going to want to do a medium brown color and then just put that in your crease and start blending it upwards towards your brow bone. I'm using H.O.E from Anastasia for this one. Then you want to find a darker brown just to put that in your outer crease and then blend it inwards. Then for the lid, I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to do that and then set it with a skin toned shadow. Then using that first shade that we did, I'm going to blend in the lighter color to the darker color just to create a seamless blend. Then I'm just getting that darker brown and adding it to my outer crease just to make everything nice and dimensional. Then I'm just adding the medium brown shade along my lower lash line. So for this look, I'm actually not going to use a liner. I'm actually just going to do a soft black shadow along my lash line just to create the illusion of a liner, but it just still looks very soft and natural. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes top and bottom. Then I'm going to apply mascara and prep for lashes. Y'all, look at how long my bottom lashes are. My top lashes are probably so jealous, like, wow. That's why I always have to apply lashes. Like, I can't get that effect with my top lashes. Like, not even if I tried. Look at the difference that false lashes make. Like, wow. They really do that. Whew. Yeah, I agree. Then just to prep my lips, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Buxom Primer Infused Blush. I love blush, so I'm just going to like pack this on, but of course you guys don't have to use as much, just use it to your discretion. Then I'm just going to be using my Anastasia bronzer just to bronze up my face and give me some warmth. Then I'm just going to slightly contour my nose using a light brown color. Then I'm going to wipe off the Lip Injection Extreme and I'm going to line my lips and put the Fenty Gloss Bomb right on top. I love this combo. I've been living for it. And the Gloss Bomb is the best thing that ever happened to me. Like, look at that shine. Wow. Next, I'm just going to set my face with the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. Then I'm just going to finish off by highlighting all the areas I want to brighten with a golden highlight. And that concludes the look. I hope you guys liked it. This is like one of my favorite looks to do, and especially since like soft glam is so popular right now. Like this is like the perfect holiday look, the perfect everyday look, the perfect going shopping for some groceries look. So yeah, if you guys redo this look, please tag me. I really love seeing your recreations. And of course, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. And of course, follow me on Instagram too. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye-bye. No need to worry, escape reality.